Welcome back to SK Hobbies, AZ, and I am Stitch, and we are unboxing. Well, we're not going to unbox it, but you guys will have to stay tuned and find out. All right, welcome back. So, you can see a little bit in the corner right there, but as you can see, we got the ARRMA Outcast 4S for the channel. This is actually going to end up being my youngest son's new basher for the AZRC Bashers event that's coming up starting here in October. We are in bash season, so we got it. This is just fresh out of the box. I've only tried to destroy my bedroom with it, but as you can see, it's still all stock. Nothing's been done to it. The only thing we did do was remove right here. This piece kind of sets in there like that, and it's the battery locker. The reason why is because we picked up a Gens Ace, one of the basher batteries. This is the 6800 mAh 120C basher that we're going to be doing a test run on it, and it doesn't quite fit in there, you can see, unless you remove this piece out. So we went ahead and removed that. Now we're going to do the first run here with it pretty much stock, and then we got a little upgrade we're going to throw on it. We've got, there you see it, we got the Operation 11 Charlie's Reefs RC. This is the there you can see, it's the Raw 500. Picked it up at AZ Turn and Burn RC. You can see right there, it was $179.99. But this thing is not going to be a waste. It's probably the best RC we've ever put in one of our bashers so far. And we're going to have a blast. So why don't you guys stay tuned, and we're going to do a little run video and show you guys how this bad boy runs stock. All right, so we're going to do a little bit of running up and down the street so you guys can see how this thing goes stock. Kicker with me, she is the Outcast expert, so she's going to be doing the driving. So let's give it a rip and see what happens. Thing is fast. This is running that 4S Gens Ace basher battery, the 6800 120C mAh. This thing just gets up and goes. I like the wide stance on it. It's just, it stays planted. All right, So stay tuned for some more video on this bad boy. And you know, we got the Outcast 4S for the channel. So I hope you guys like and subscribe and bash that bell. I'm Stitch, SK Hobbies AZ, and I'm out.